Okay, so it was about around 10:30 at night. I heard the loud boom. I come out and Jessica was there, and she was like, "I'm so sorry, I fell asleep." She's like,
Whose car is this?
That's hers.
How fast were you going?
I was like probably like 5, 10.
This is not a 5-mile-an-hour
Okay,
crash.
15.
Come on.
As I was going slow, I fell asleep for like at least 5 seconds. So it was my foot hit the wheel. It went faster.
What about the story about the wine coolers?
No, well,
That's not true.
she was panicking. She was panicking. She's like, "I'm so sorry." So I'm like, have you been drinking?" She's like, "No, I haven't been drinking." I'm like, "Are you sure you haven't been drinking? Because I need to do a police report. I have to call the cops."
So she never admitted to you that she was drinking?
That was after. She's like, "Yeah, I had a few wine coolers." That's exactly what she said. And even on the messages when I text her, she didn't even deny saying that she did not have any wine coolers.
This is it. You crashed my car while having a few wine coolers right before. I'm sorry, but you caused all this, not me. I will see you in court. You say, "Please, girl, listen, I just talked to the guy Martinez, and he's going down by $100 so I could get this car fixed for you." So now you go to Martinez, and he doesn't know who she is, right?
Yeah, I asked him. He's like, "Who sent you?" I'm like, "Jessica Martinez." She said that, her dad knows you. He's like, "No, I don't even know who that is."
So let me ask you, you were not insured at the time of this accident?
I was not. And I'm not, and I'm guilty I take full responsibility for what I did.
Were you insured?
No.
So your vehicle was parked, but it was uninsured?
Correct.
I'm guilty. I understand that.
So now what we have is you leaving to go to the hospital. Why would you leave the scene?
When the crash occurred, I felt like it was going to explode the car because it was a hard crash. I got out the vehicle. I was like dazing, like spinning.
And Your Honor, I'm sorry. So that same night when I was calling the police, they had asked me, "Do you need an ambulance?" So I asked her. She's like, "No, I'm fine. So she never said her head was going to explode, or she never said that she was feeling sick or she wasn't feeling good.
Okay. Where's the proof that you went to the hospital that night?
I don't have the proof of that.
You went into a hospital having your head injury, according to you, at least some kind of head trauma. You went to an emergency room, and you didn't get any reports?
Ma'am, I lost everything at that day that crash happened. My job, my car, everything happened so fast.
But you didn't go to the hospital in your car.
No, I'm saying a friend took me there. I didn't get the results of me being there at all.
No, you do. When you go in, they make you fill out a form.
Yes, ma'am, but
Yeah, and you don't have it. So you didn't go to the hospital. You left. And you left because at least the next day you'd be sober.
I did not tell her when I crashed that I was using alcohol. I let her know I was working night shifts. That's all.
You were at this accident site at 10:30. And you said, "I was coming from my friend's house." Sounds to me like you weren't working. You were at a friend's house. You may have had a few drinks.
No.
And the reason you left
That's
the
not
scene
true.
was so that they would not smell the alcohol on you. And she sent you a message. You said you had wine coolers. This is all your fault. And you never said, "No, I didn't." You said, "Listen, don't call the police. I want to handle this." So did you handle it?
No, I didn't. I did not give her any money.
Why not?
Because after that happened, I got COVID and I was really sick. So I literally was.
When did you finish having COVID? When was that?
On the 20th of December.
So what happened over the next few days?
What happened was that she came to a residence that was on the registration that I gave her. She took a picture of it, which wasn't my address. It was another friend of mine. She went over there with, I guess, a group of people saying,
So let me
looking for
say,
me.
this poor woman who's in her home, who's got a car parked outside, has all the issues here. This is all
Yes,
her
it's
issues,
all my-
all her
I understand
problems.
that. I take full-
It's all your full responsibility. Means you have to make payments. You can't keep making
I didn't have any
excuses
money,
why
ma'am,
you
at the
shouldn't
time.
pay.
I was working.
What
on
does she
getting that.
cash? You owe her money. If you would have had insurance, you wouldn't have been in this position. That's the whole key to all of this. Judge Corriero?
You didn't even have a license, did you, Ms. Martinez?
No,
And whose car is this?
it was mine.
You've been driving that car for a while,
Yes,
without a license,
yes.
without insurance.
I'm not trying to argue here. I know
No,
I'm wrong.
I know you're not going
I'm
to
not trying to argue with her. I know
because
I'm wrong, but I didn't have any money to give her.
how responsible is that?
Not at all responsible.
So now the question becomes the value of your damages. The Blue Book value of your car is $2,408. Why should we pay you more than the value of the car?
I just want my car fixed. I mean, if we have to go with that estimate.
You don't have insurance either, do you?
No.
Where are the both of you driving? What area of California?
It was my.
I want to avoid it.